Hi everybody and welcome to Klein Pella Guest Farm. We're doing another campsite tour today and I hope you enjoy it. So it's going to be a quick tour. There's not that much to see. It's quite quiet today. I think we're actually the only people on the campsite. So if you have a look around over there, that's my family with the 4x4 van and the tents. We've got beautiful mountains in the background. And I decided to film this video in the evening simply because during the day it is too hot. Today was about 37, 38 degrees maximum and it's finally starting to cool down a bit now, about 5 o'clock. So follow me, let's explore the campsite. Let's go up the stairs over here. Come on. Over there we've got some tennis courts and we've got the male and female toilets over there. And this farm is, come on. This farm is known for being the biggest date farm in the southern hemisphere. So that's pretty cool. And we bought a box of their local dates today and it's delicious. I would definitely recommend trying them whoever comes along. So here's the toilets. Inside they've got showers as well. Oops, the glass is a bit wet. Come on. Over here we have some rondavels, people staying over as well, accommodation. Evening guys. Look at this beautiful pizza. All the gardens over there. This is the reception area. Pretty close at the moment. You can buy your necessities there, buy your dates over there, and your water, your ice, etc. Let's go down to the pool area. This is a working farm, so you'll always see lots of tractors driving up and down at this time. The farm is still very active. This is more the accommodation area over here. What's there? Get a better view from the front. Come on. This place is also famous for its quercuboomer or quiver trees. They're beautiful. Little patio over here. Watch your step. And over here we have a gorgeous quercuboom tree. Hello. Got a little restaurant on top over here. Have a look. It looks quite nice and neat. Very cute. Oh, you can get a look at the pool from here as well. Come on. Here you've got a gorgeous view of the mountain overlooking the pool. With some date trees on the side there. Further down next to the restaurant, I think there's some more accommodation spaces. Each one of them fully ventilated, it's got its own aircon, etc. And a braai area over there as well. Let's So this is basically it. This is Klein Pella Guest Farm in the Northern Cape. Please be sure to check it out on your travels. See you all next time. Bye bye.